It's
but
fruity.
it's fruity as well. But yeah, I still love it.
I actually don't
I
like it.
feel it stands out.
Yeah, I don't like that perfume on him. Hey folks, तो आज हम मिलेंगे हमारे एक दोस्त के साथ and we'll make him try Rural Assam by Rasasi and get his reaction. I won't tell him कौन सा परफ्यूम है and देखेंगे उनको ही डिड्यूस करने देंगे कि कैसा लग रहा है, क्या लग रहा है उनको. फिर उसके बाद उनका रिएक्शन देखेंगे. एंजॉय. कॉफ़ी फिल्स अगेन कभी कैलिफोर्निया विजिट कर रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली ट्राई करना.
भाई देख आपकी गाड़ी होना बोल के डाले रे तू गाड़ी
नहीं होता है.
वो जो भी यार बेस होना बोल के डाले रे गाड़ी
नहीं होता है यार भाई.
भाई बड़ी मार के था तोरे अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाई.
वालेकुम सलाम. शर्मा रही कहीं को यार. आओ.
हाय गाइस.
Okay, cool. So I have my friend here, Nasaruddin Shah, aka Nasar,
Yeah,
and Adil from Kerala.
yeah.
So I'm going to give him perfume to test and get reviews. I'm not telling them notes कौन सा है क्या है, and just see where it goes. Okay, before we begin, just to again clarify our biases of perfume. जैसे हर किसी के कुछ biases होते हैं, likes, so you know where we are coming. My biases, things that I like oud, I like citrus, fresh, fougere, lavender, you name it. I don't mind strong scents, musk, even animalic, I'm fine with. Spicy notes is also. What I dislike is sweet smelling perfumes, gourmand perfumes are not really. My favorite perfume is Ajmal Amir one, an Oudi perfume. And as for Nasser, I know Nasser's likes and dislikes. Nasser actually likes pretty much everything under the sun.
Yeah, that's true.
He likes oud, he likes sweet, he likes fresh, fougere, lavender, like everything. Not that he has a bad nose, but he genuinely, no, he really likes it. He likes, I think, all of them. He even likes fruity perfumes, everything, you know. But straight guy, okay.
That's as straight as a man can get. Big.
So, but so he's very open-minded. It's also cool. Like I said, again, nothing wrong with gourmand perfume, yeah, sweet smelling, yeah, fruity perfumes. It doesn't work for me, but I love smelling it on others. On others, it sometimes smells very nice. And Adil likes really light scents. Adil, he doesn't mind oud, doesn't mind fresh fragrances, but dislikes anything too strong. His go-to favorite perfume is CK1.
Though I'll be one of the newbies. I like just like a cool, classy. I'm not like crazy into fruity, high punch smells. So CK1 would be.
So something on the lighter side. Yep. Again, nothing wrong with it. Everyone has their own taste. Nasser's go-to, I think, favorite right now is Armaf Siaj.
So my favorite is Armaf Siaj as of now. Although when it comes to premiums, I think I love the 1 million Elixir. Although it is powdery.
It's fruity.
But it's fruity as well. But yeah, I still love it.
I actually don't.
I feel it stands out.
Yeah, I don't like that perfume on him, but he likes it. It's okay, but little on the fruitier side for me. But yeah, so his favorite is 1 million Elixir and Armaf Siaj. Okay, cool. So with that said, so as I said before, we'll be trying Rural Assam by Rasasi. I am not giving them a notes breakdown. If you want to see the notes, you can see on Fragrantica. We'll just be doing what we are getting here. Just give it a second to. Yeah, what do you get? Just
First note, a bit alcoholic and I smell that oud.
Getting oud.
Yeah, doesn't smell too artificial. Let me just wait for it to open up more.
Initial thoughts.
It's good.
It's good. I can smell the oud really into it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Well, that's good. He's picking up oud.
Yep. I can smell the oud. It's a bit oilish. I don't know. Just,
Do you smell alcohol?
Yeah, I did get.
I did not smell alcohol though. I don't know.
I did smell little bit, just very little bit in the beginning.
It's really
Now it's only oud. Yeah, just to let you know, I project the most.
Yeah, Nasser is like Bakur. उनका body temperature I think थोड़ा warm है, तो उन्होंने पूरा क्या कहते हैं, he projects a lot of scent.
Essentially, I'm a hot guy.
Oh, just also to let you know, like in terms of where we are in our perfume, I would say I'm a little bit intermediate to pro. Nasser is, I think, good,
Pro.
well settled into intermediate,
We
and
are nervous.
novice, beginner.
Yeah.
But again, it's fine. Not everyone is supposed to be into fridge. Just more of a initially. But he has a good nose. Adil picked up oud. You're also getting oud, right? I'll tell you. To me, I get this oud with this very powdery notes. Are you getting some powder in there? Immediately for me, it's very oudi, and this slight Pond's powder type feeling.
Yeah, slightly.
Slightly.
Yeah.
Do you get it?
But
I don't know
oud
what
is,
you're talking- it's
but
really-
oud is, but oud is dominating.
Oud is dominating.
Yeah. Smell that agarwood. It's actually a very good perfume.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it is. It is very good.
That's the thing.
And it opened up very fast. Like
Okay, now-
only in a minute or two.
it opened
It's
up very
right there.
quick.
Yeah, alcohol scent is gone.
I know some of the notes, but I'll tell you what I feel. I am also getting a lot of musk, like real deer. I don't know if you're getting.
Is it?
I get that powderiness. I feel like it's coming from the deer musk. To me, it smells that deer musk with oud powdery. And okay, at least to me,
Okay.
I get that with some florals going on in the back. Again, I don't know the exact notes breakdown, but to me, it smells like that. And okay, so to share something interesting to you guys about this. So unfortunately, this perfume is so nice, right? But the thing is, it's not sold anymore.
Oh damn.
They stopped production. So at Rasasi, if anyone from Rasasi is watching this, like I've said in my other video, please start making this again. You know,
Yeah.
it's so beautiful. It's only $120 when it was on sale.
Damn. That's a really good deal.
There are some sellers that are selling it on eBay, I think for $189 or $2. Why are you spraying it again? Let it develop. Yeah, because I already sprayed 2, right? Yeah, we'll take a brief pause, and then maybe in the next 15-20 minutes we'll do another smell test of how it has developed.
Yeah.
We'll share our reaction.
Yeah. Rasasi, start making it again.
Yeah, you should. Okay, see you in 15 minutes. So it's been, I believe about 30 minutes ish. We'll do a quick smell test and see what. Why don't you start?
Starting with me.
Of course.
Oh, it's powdery now. Powdery and a very light pinch of agarwood, but it smells nice. It smells very good.
It smells premium.
Yeah,
Right? It
it's-
smells very natural.
It does. Yeah, it smells good, man. I like powdery scent.
What about you? What are you getting?
I still smell premium.
These are lemon.
Yeah.
But generally it's
You like it?
I usually don't like punches like really strong or
Uh-huh.
something, but I like oud a lot, and this is a really but now as it has been like this, it has gotten a mild.
Would you get it?
I wear it.
Yeah, I mean, I think उसकी quality काफी अच्छी है.
हाँ, क्वालिटी तो अच्छी है उसकी एंड या आई थिंक मैं थोड़ा अपन बात करते करते आई थिंक आई टच माय फेस, फिर बाद में आपको ब्लॉक कर दिया फिर भी आई थिंक इट टच योर हैंड.
हाँ.
आई थिंक ऊद का थोड़ा कम हो गया मेरे पास. इट इज पाउडरी ज़्यादा, ऊद थोड़ा सा स्मेल आ रही खाली बस बीच में. बढ़िया फॉर द प्राइस पॉइंट यू आर गेटिंग इट. I think it's a good deal.
Or used to get it.
It is a good oud. Feels premium. Has that dusty smell starting में. So yeah, I think I would get it.
Yeah, नहीं है तो amazing like same है. And इसमें तकरीबन you can feel कि पूरे natural ingredients है.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल भी synthetic smell नहीं कर रहा था. And yeah, बहुत like जबरदस्त है यार perfume, you know. Yeah, to me oud, powdery, floral, like बहुत मजा आता है. Like to me मुझे पता है क्या है ये. मैं एक दिन ऐसे लगा के ऑफिस में बैठा हुआ था ऐसे ही भाई, like it really like touches your soul, like in a like बहुत मजा आया भाई.
Yeah, I know you like sniffing. Yeah, amazing.
Yeah, so that's the take of the dried on it. Yeah, it really pretty much stays like this, even when I had seen after 6 hours. This very powdery, oudi, touch of floral stage. So yeah, that's Ruwal Assam by Rasasi. Yeah, they have to bring it back to show you the color of the liquid. This very oil, like even after diluting it with
Yeah, it does look
like very oily.
yeah, it does look oily, very consistent. See, You want to
I think मैं तो अपने मेरे collection में I'm going to preserve it for days when I want. Just smell it and enjoy it. This perfume, have coffee. Right.
Yeah, completely. Yeah, it smells different. And
Like right now.
Right now, yeah.
Right now in
And
yeah.
usually-
It changes so much, you know. And that's what I was saying. Like that's the thing about naturals, right? They change so much in they show so many facets. Once you start using naturals, right? It's very hard for you to go back to synthetic. But the only con of naturals is usually if it's like they don't last as much on your skin. But heavier naturals like oud, musks and all, they usually do last. But yeah, you know, once you go natural, you never
go back. Yeah, got that from a very common saying.
So yeah, that's Rural Assam. Bring it back, Rasasi, please.
Yeah, that's that.
Yeah, opinion from intermediate, pro, intermediate, and layman all agree to bring it back.
Yeah, let's go.